Every day, millions of people waste hours doing repetitive computer tasks, writing emails, updating spreadsheets, completing forms. But there's a simple tool that can automate all of it. It's called Zapier, a platform that connects your favorite apps so work happens automatically in the background. No code, no downloads, just automation that works for you. Zapier works as a bridge between more than 8,000 apps, including Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, Notion, and ChatGPT. It lets users create simple automations called Zaps that follow one rule. When something happens in one app, something else happens automatically in another. Here is an example. When a new email arrives with an attachment, save that file in Google Drive. That's a Zap, a small automation that works quietly in the background, 24 hours a day for you. These automations aren't just for tech experts. Anyone can use them. Freelancers use Zapier to send automatic invoices and manage client forms. Small businesses use it to log new customers into spreadsheets and alert teams in Slack. Content creators use it to share new videos across social platforms instantly. Every task that repeats can be automated, saving time, reducing errors, and keeping work consistent. For example, here's a simple demonstration. We'll create an automation that automatically saves any files you receive as an attachment to your Google Drive folder, so nothing gets lost and there's no need to download or upload files manually. So, first we choose Gmail as the trigger, and then select New Attachment as the trigger event. This means that each time an email with a file arrives, Zapier starts the automation. And then, under the Configure tab, select Inbox as the mailbox. Next, we need to choose Google Drive as the action, and then select Upload File as the action event. This means Zapier will take the file from any new email and automatically upload it to your Google Drive. Then, we move over to the Configure tab. Here, under Drive, you select your Google Drive. Then under Folder, select the destination folder where your files will be saved. In this case, it's set to Demo Uploads. Next, under File, choose Attachment from Gmail. This tells Zapier exactly which file to upload from each new email. Then set Convert to Document to False, so the file keeps its original format, like a PDF, image, or spreadsheet. Below that, for the file name field, you can select Attachment File Name. This will automatically pull the attachment's original name from Gmail when saving the file, and file extension can be left blank. Once everything looks correct, click Continue to test your automation and see if it works. Zapier should instantly transfer the attachment from any new email to Google Drive, just like this. After you are done testing the automation, the Zap can then be published and turned on, meaning from now on, every email with a file is saved automatically. No manual downloads, no uploads, just instant organization. This simple Zap shows how Zapier can turn repetitive, mindless work into a system that runs itself, freeing time for tasks that actually matter. In terms of pricing, Zapier offers a free plan with basic automations, 2-step Zaps, and up to 100 tasks per month. The professional plan starts at $19.99 a month, unlocking multi-step Zaps, premium apps, and AI features. The team plan begins at $69 a month for shared Zaps and advanced collaboration tools. For larger organizations, enterprise plans provide unlimited users and admin controls. For individuals and small teams, the time Zapier saves often outweighs the subscription cost, especially once automations are running around the clock. Overall, Zapier is one of the most practical automation tools available today. It's reliable, beginner-friendly, and works with nearly every app you already use. The setup process is simple, the integrations are powerful, and the value becomes obvious the moment a task runs automatically for the first time. If you want to save time, stay organized, and make your tools work together, Zapier is absolutely worth trying. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.